So one thing I wanted to do yesterday in the video, the 75th video where I had a chat about the plans for this, was to give it a cold start. So what I've noticed lately is this likes a bit of choke when it's starting. It didn't like it at all when the weather was warm. So I'm going to try it for a cold start here and we'll see how does it go. The petrol's on, a bit of throttle. So it's running a little bit lean, I would say, unless it just needs to warm. I know I shouldn't really be adjusting the idle jet until it's warm, but when it's too lean it will spit out the exhaust and it won't be happy then when you rev it if the main jet is too lean. So it's not spitting there and it's sitting at just touching 400 revs per minute. So it didn't need choke today. Mind you, you could hear it. It was a little bit starved of fuel, so I kept it going by giving it rev. So a bit of choke would have helped. But if you can do without using the choke, I think it's all the better. I don't think that sounds too bad. Probably just a touch lean. Because that is a low tick over. So what I'm going to do is, for the fun of it now, I'm just going to screw this in a little bit more and see if the engine starts labouring. Yeah, you can hear it changing there now. I can start to see smoke out the exhaust, so that's too rich. So I'm going to bring it out until the tick over goes up a little bit. Gone up a little bit there. I'm going to keep coming till it starts doing the opposite, till it starts missing. So we'll just check the revs per minute. Very, very slightly increased. Let's keep going slowly. Should start spitting now any second. camera focused. I'm after coming out a good bit there now and it doesn't seem to be spitting, so I'm just going to try it for a rev. And again on, just come up ever so slightly it has on the tick over. So that was a good start. From cold. Someone's put my hand over the exhaust. Oh, there's an I'm lean expression. Bring it back in, quarter of a turn. As this engine warms up, you know, that's the time to set it really. Yeah, so it definitely needs another little bit of juice because I did come out a good bit. Another quarter turn. Trying to breathe the other side of the wheel, not to be breathing in these fumes. So yeah, probably just a slight bit lean. So and our temperature is just starting to lift as well. So look, we'll leave it there for today. That's just a quick cold start. I was messing with the jets on it yesterday evening, so yeah, I just have to find the sweet spot. So we'll turn off the fuel and the ignition. So until the next video, take care.